In the quiet light of morning, the small front yard awakens. Each pebble along the path glimmers softly, leading the eyes to a home that feels loved. Here, simplicity is not a limitation, it's a choice, a statement that beauty can live in the smallest corners. A pathway is more than a passage, it's an invitation. The scent of lavender drifts gently as lanterns stand like quiet guardians, lighting the way home. Every step tells a story of arrival, of belonging, of peace after the long day's noise. Order meets nature here. The geometry of trimmed greens whispers of discipline, yet the soft breeze reminds us that even precision breathes. A single tree at the center stands as the heart of balance, small but certain. Every small yard deserves its corner of joy. Petals in yellow, white, and pink seem to smile at the morning. The flowers don't compete, they coexist just as life should, in its quiet harmony of colors. The fence, once a barrier, now blooms. Jasmine climbs gently upward, softening the edges of space. The fragrance lingers, a reminder that even boundaries can bloom if touched by patience and care. Not every space needs to shout. Some just breathe. The stones lie quietly, tracing a rhythm of calm, while the water reflects a piece of the infinite sky. In stillness, even the smallest garden becomes vast. Beneath the young tree, a bench waits not for grandeur, but for moments. The air cools, the leaves whisper, and time seems to slow. This is where the homeowner's day exhales. Design is not about size, it's about texture. The crunch of gravel, the softness of moss, the strength of brick together, they tell the story of touch. In a small yard, every detail matters more. As the sun sinks, the garden glows from within. Small lights awaken underfoot, turning the modest yard into a quiet theater of light and shadow. It's not grand, but it feels alive. When design meets emotion, size fades away. The front yard, once bare, now hums with life and quiet beauty. It doesn't need more space, it just needs meaning. And here, it found it,